again, Mom. Mommy, not again. Mommy, not again. Just eat the medicine.
Where's Mom's medicine?
It's here.
Thank you, Princess Girl. Thank you. You're very nice.
You just eat it.
I'll just eat my medicine, okay?
Yeah. Mom, just eat it.
I'll get water first.
Get water first.
I'll get my water first.
You spill it up with the water.
Thank you for giving it to Mama.
Sugar.
Thank you.
Daddy, look at two.
Go.
I do I myself.
Did you do it myself?
Oh, this is just itchy. It's so itchy. I don't know this itchy. It's okay. Daddy, look at your hair.
My hair, you like it?
No, I don't like it. You like me.
I look like you?
Yeah.
Well, that's why you don't like it then.
Hi guys, we're the tunnel. There. The medicine.
Oh, have the medicine. Thank you for keeping
Oh,
reminding me all the time. Thank you.
just eat it.
I will. Thank you, Princess. You're such an angel. God. It's Sunday morning, guys. And it's nearly 6 o'clock. At alam niyo naman, pag Sunday ay nagbibenta tayo. However, different story today. Masakit ng
Mommy, not coffee. Just water.
Yeah, just water. Since kahapon.
And just this.
Hindi
Just
ako
that.
labas ng kwarto.
Oh, use that.
Yes, Papa. Kasi pinares ako ni Daddy Mark para hindi mahawaan yung mga kids pa. Tapos siya din.
Move it.
So,
Do it.
I stayed in the bedroom last night. Yesterday, almost the whole day. Daddy Mark nilabas niya yung mga kids. So,
Do it.
they've been out and about. Si Mami niyo ay still recovering, guys. Ubo, sipon, lagnat.
Whoa.
Ay, nabit lang dyan ang ubot, guys.
Mommy, are we going to the car?
Yes, we are. So, sobrang aga namin ngayon kasi, di ba, benta tayo pag Sunday. Kahapon. Di ba, nire-ready ko na yung mga pambenta natin ng mga Burberry jacket. Excited na excited ako, guys. Kaya hindi ako
Eat your medicine.
Yes, I will, Baba. Hindi ako pinapayagan ni Daddy Mike na magbenta kasi masakit nga ako. Sabi ko, sayang kasi nabayaran na yung...
I'm cold.
I told you. Nabayaran na yung stall ba for today. Sayang man. Kung i-forfeit namin, hindi ako pupunta. Alam niyo ba, to the rescue, si Daddy Mike sabi niya, siya daw ang magbebenta kung kinakailangan kasi sabi niya, sige, hayaan mo na lang kasi alam na naman daw na i-force ko yung sarili ko. But then he said like, siya daw yung pupunta kung kinakailangan. So, ayun, gising siya. Sila ni Ate Paris ang magbebenta for today's video, guys. Si mami niyo ay wala. 1 man down. 1 man down. Ito namang isa. Hindi sila na hindi kami natulog sa kwarto lahat kagabi. Ako lang sa kabila, tapos silang tatlo dito sa kabila.
Mommy, it's your medicine.
Yeah. It's very hot, honey. Oh, wait. Mahirap nang magkahawa-hawa ba? Ako guys, okay lang sa akin na ako.
Mama, it's your medicine.
Wag lang yung mga anak ko kasi yung mahirap yung mga bata. Should I have this one?
Yeah.
So big.
What?
Ang laki ng tabletas kay.
Mom. Mommy, don't spit it.
Let's go off the back. Hindi ko lunok-lunok kasi I have sore throat, guys.
Mommy,
Sakit na
you
lang mo.
did it.
Thank you, baby. Celine is cheering me up.
Mom, just put it in the bean.
I'm not gonna put it in the bin.
That was dirty.
Actually, I'm gonna get another one. Get another one, okay? I promise.
What? Why are you
Kahapon, kahit na
Why are you getting out of it?
masama yung pakiramdam ko kagabi, ay niready ko yung mga dadalhin nila ni Daddy Mike today. Kasi, di ba kung kami sobrang pulo ng sasakyan kung kami na to Paris, but since silang dalawa, tapos kailangan ko silang i-drive doon, at least hindi ko kailangan magstay. Tapos with, lots of people pa. Ayaw ko na mag-i-share sa kanila yung aking virus.
Kuchi. Mommy, I give it to you.
Kailangan talaga nag-volunteer si
I'll
Daddy.
give it to you. I'll give it to you.
Thank you, baby. Sana malunok ko na. Sakit kasi. Ang hirap magkasakit, guys. Ito, kanina early. Pumasok sa kwarto. Kasi umiyak to kagabi. Ayaw niya talagang malayo sa akin. I love you, Anna. I love you so much. Can Mama do it now? Paris's clothes in the look right there.
Huh?
Look right.
Do it? Out of 10?
Huh?
I said out of 10?
I like the outfit.
You can eat it.
Hmm?
I like that outfit. Good Paris. I just hung her clothes there.
Oh, it's a pimple.
Alam niyo ba, guys? It's going to be like really interesting kasi ilang beses na akong nagbenta doon, Wala talagang lalaki ang nagbenta. Minsan, kasama, pero andun yung asawa nila or girlfriend nila. Will be first time na lalaki yung magbenta. Si Daddy Mike yung magbenta. First time in the history.
Are you finished?
Thank you, baby.
It's better.
Better, yeah. Celine really wants me to get better. Don't you? You want Mama to get better?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I was crying.
You're crying? Why were you crying?
Because I want Mommy to come back to my bed.
I know, sweetheart. Mama will be better soon, okay?
Here.
Thank you.
Be careful with your neck. Be not broke on it.
You're a sweet girl, aren't you? Hmm? What's that?
It's a hat.
Do you want me to wear a hat?
Yeah. Hat should be windy.
Do I look good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're Broncos.
Broncos, that's right.
Mom,
Broncos.
that's right. They're not scary.
That's scary.
They're beautiful.
They're beautiful, princess.
Yours is black. Mine is blue, purple, and that's a purple. And blue, 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 blue. Sparkles. And white, white, white. Pink. Sounds like my pink. That, mommy. Sounds like my pink.
Yes. Ito siya mamaya for sure tulog to siya sa sasakyan.
I want to wash too. Enough.
Enough. Good girl.
Oh my god. All my dress.
What happened? You still over your dress?
No, all my dress. Okay.
You help daddy, okay? I'll bring the charger. So it's now 6:41. Nilalabas na ni Daddy Mike yung mga... You go out this way lang. Come out this way lang. Oh, that shoes too, Daddy. Just put it inside that green bag.
That's it.
Just tell them my name. Alam niyo ba guys, nag-swap kami ni Daddy Mike ng phone. So yung gagamitin ko na phone is yung sa kanya. And then yung akin, siya yung magdadala. Kasi pag nag-take kasi ng card payment, ay nasa phone ko ba? So kailangan ito yung gamitin niya. So ako yung magdadala ng phone niya. Siya yung gagamit ng sa akin. Honey, bring this to Daddy. I love you, sweetheart. I appreciate it, Baba. Good luck. Good luck. Uwi na kami. Baby Celine fell asleep in the car again, guys. Kasi sobrang aga pa kanina eh. And then, dinala ko siya sa kwarto. And she's still asleep. Just gonna feed Louis some more. So, it's already 8:24, guys. So, the door has been open for 24 minutes now. I'm wondering how they're doing there. Nag-send naman si Daddy Mike sa akin ng picture kanina na na-set up na niya, and he said all sorted. So I believe they're good. Pakita ko sa inyo yung picture na sinan niya. Ang aking lalamunan ay napakasakit. Ayan. Ayan. So, yeah. They will be fine. I trust Daddy Mike. And you know what? I'm super grateful na si Daddy Mike ay ganyan ka, suporta talaga sa akin, guys. Like, you know, kung hindi pa supportive si Daddy Mike sa akin, guys, hayaan na lang niya na hindi kami makabenta today. But look, he's there. He's with the other sellers na mostly lahat girls doon. May mga husbands and boyfriends na tumutulong, but hindi talaga sila yung main. So si Daddy Mike ay nandoon. But you know Daddy Mike, guys, he is a people person, so he loves being out. He loves talking to people, and I noticed that parang namamagnet niya yung tao. Like, yung mga tao yung kusang lumalapit sa kanya para makipag-usap. Like, even if we walk outside, just random people just come over and talk to him for some reason. He's got that aura na, approachable ba? Nag-stop kami kanina sa cafe, take away. Bumili din ako nito. Pero ito na naman ako, guys. Sabi nga Daddy Mike, you relax, drink a lot of water and that. Then, hindi ako makapag-relax. Marami ako naisip. Ngayon, kasi, yung phone ko kasi, sira yung kanyang camera. So, kapag nagtitake ako ng picture ng mga pambenta ko, pang-post ko online, ginagamit ko yung phone ni Daddy Mike. So, ngayon, iniisip ko kasi, yung phone ko ngayon is yung phone ni Daddy Mike. Di ba nagpalit kami? Sabi ko, I might just, take photos while I have my phone. But then, iniisip ko, dapat sana mag-relax ako para, I'll feel better soon. But yeah, yung phone ko, guys, hindi muna ako bibili ng bago kasi wala pa tayong budget para doon. And since nagagamit ko naman yung phone ni Daddy Mike for picture taking, sabi ko sa sarili ko, that's alright. Parang picturean ko gamit yung phone niya, tapos tinatransfer ko lang sa phone ko. Tapos doon ako post online. Hindi pa pwede. Maya na kapag may budget na tayo, tsaka na tayo magbago ng phone. Kasi very important. Alam ko naman, guys, investment talaga siya. Kasi diyan nakasalalay lahat. Bako, yung mga benta ko online, take ako ng picture at dapat maganda yung pagkakuha ng picture para naman engaging. Pag may nagtingin, mahalina sila na magtingin sa mga paninda mo. Say?
Is that a cold one?
Yes, it's cold now because it's been a while. So, ang ating baby girl ay nag-sleep in. Ngayon lang nagising.
This is hot.
Yes, I had mine before and it was hot. But that one is cold because I bought it like an hour ago.
Ew.
Hmm?
Ew.
I love you. Did you have a good sleep? That's good. Binilhan ko siya ng sa kanya para hindi kami mag-share. Pero hindi namin ma-share ang aming virus. So, Daddy Mike is doing well, I think. So, always kaming in contact. Kasi nagtatanong siya kung ano yung last price ganito. Kasi alam niyo naman, guys, doon, mga tao naghahagal talaga ba? Nagtanong siya yung Burberry's na cost 300. Yung sabi ko doon, kasi pinesyuhan ko na yun. Sabi niya, 200 lang daw yung offer. Sabi ko, gura. Yeah, I think he's very busy. Hindi man siya contact palagi. Nag-message lang siya kapag may... Finish lang? Oh my God, that's so good. I'm seriously having like a rundown, guys, kasi...
Time free.
Ubus yung phone.
Mama, drink your coffee.
Yes, baby. Yung dila ko, meron na namang singaw. So, like, acting immune system is really bad at the moment. Nagano pa ako, naglight pa ako ng candle dito, scented candle sa loob ng kwarto eh. Wala naman akong anak ko! Uy! 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 Wow! Ang bilis ng oras, guys. Yes. It's now 11:40. So, kami ni Baby Celine ay... Come here. Pipick upin na namin si Daddy Mike tsaka si Ate Paris. Ay. Kasi 12 mag-pack sila. By the time we get there, tapos na sila. Oh, ang akin mga... legs, guys, very weak. Ma-feel mo talaga na oh Lord, nawala talaga siyang lakas. Hala anak, forgot my glasses. I can't drive without my glasses. Oh my God. Ay, ano ang utak ng mami niyo?
Mommy, don't leave it there.
Come in. Go in. Wait for me here, okay? I'll just go around, get my glasses quickly. Stay there. Good girl. Sasakyan na tayo, guys. Hinubad ko ang aking jacket at napakainit sa loob ng sasakyan. Grabe. Are you okay, anak? We'll take your socks off, okay?
Hi.
It's getting too hot. Daddy. Hey, Bob. The Coach shoes, it will be 5 to 6. 6 because it fits me. But yeah, 5 to 6. Love you too. Bye. Ang ating Daddy Mike ay napaka-busy, guys. Grabe. Message siya, ganito. Last price daw ng ganito. May bumili ng ganito daw. Ano daw yung pinaka best price daw. Pinaka lowest, ganun. So, non-stop. I think he's enjoying it. I think he's having fun. And I think that they're doing really well. Yun na nga talaga yung inisip ko, guys. Kasi, because of the, mga coat, alam ko, the coats are the star of the show. And I really like it kapag si Daddy Mike yung nagtitinda. Kasi, napansin ko dito sa bahay kapag may nagpipick up, tapos siya yung pinapalabas ko. They tend not to haggle. Sa akin, guys, parang inaano nila ako na, will you accept this? Parang ganun. Parang, ginujoke sila ni Daddy Mike kapag nag-silang discount. Ginujoke sila ni Daddy Mike na, you know, like, that's $30 worth of food na you're taking off my table. Yung mga ganun ba? Mga OC kasi, guys, they're very into banta. Banta is like jokes. Kaya, yeah, ganun. And he's very, like, good in, you know, like, talking. So. Anyways, so we're driving there now. Nakita ko sa inyo, pinag-deliver ako ni Sheena ng yung friend ko na Pinay. Nag-order ako ng mani. Di ba yung mani nakakaubo? I don't think this is a good idea. Mani. Tapos, nag-order din ako ng 2 chicharon. Like, tapos may palibreng sayote. 4 sila. And you know what? Si Daddy Mike lang yung nagsabi sa akin na it's downstairs na. Kasi nga, diba, wala na kay Daddy yung phone ko. So si Daddy Mike, dito yung phone niya. Dito na lang siya nag-update sa akin na yung food mo na ano na daw. Kasi wala mo na akong contact kay Sheena. So si Sheena, doon nag-message sa phone ko na kay Daddy Mike. Si Daddy Mike na nag-update sa akin na nasa labas na yung pagkain. And, dapat sana may mag-pick up din ng bag. Hindi mo nag-message, eh. Anyways, maybe later in the afternoon. But we'll see. We'll go palang, Kway? Ready, steady?
Go.
What are you eating?
Milo.
Milo? It's Oreo. Yeah. We're outside, guys. Everyone's leaving now. 12:21.
Mama, I can't see him.
You can see him.
Yeah.
I'm gonna call Daddy. I'm gonna tell him we're outside, okay? Tumawag si Daddy Mike while I was driving, guys. Sabi niya, last price na Coach na shoes, yung wedges ba, 100 yung size ko, price ko dun. Tapos, may offer na ng 50.
Give me a present.
So you could go.
Mama, can you give me a present?
Yeah, Papa.
Where is it?
Oh, that is just here.
What is Auntie?
Look, see, Daddy.
I can see Auntie.
Because Auntie is probably outside, waiting. Inside still. Auntie is inside.
Where?
Auntie's inside. Auntie will come. Oh, may mga friends na si Daddy Mike.
What does Daddy say?
Bob, will the plastic fit there? The plastic.
I'll see if I can get it fit.
Where's Daddy going? Where's Daddy going?
Daddy gonna grab the other stuff. Oh my God.
What? What do you say?
Oi.
What do you say, Mom? What do you say?
No.
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 What's Daddy say?
Daddy went to get the other box on the Paris. Hi, Happy.
Yeah. This in here?
Let's put it on the floor.
Is there a present?
I'm gonna get you a present. I'm gonna get you a candy.
Ate,
Where candy?
how did you go?
What?
Good?
Candy.
What you been doing?
Mama, Daddy said candy. Most of the time I was watching the fight. Most of the time
Of course. Of course. Did you draw?
Mom, there was the paper. But I didn't make a whole face. I'm going to work for you tomorrow.
Yeah, you're going to work for me.
Yeah.
Okay, that would be good. That is
I
bad.
wish you had have said 380 to that
What do you say?
bag when I said it,
What do you say,
but
Archie?
it was taking too long.
What do you say?
Because she was gonna buy it there and then. And she's like,
I
she's
did
she's worried about someone shit off me.
Yeah, but it's only $20, probably. You know, if
Yeah,
she'll
but she
buy.
pointed out, she's like, she was Bob. She was generous. I gave her like a discount because she was buying some. I shouldn't even ask one. And then I'm like,
What did she get?
she bought the Louis Vuitton denim jacket.
Oh, did she?
She bought one of the Balenciaga jumpers, black one with the pinky type of
Ah,
orange.
yeah.
And then, so she spent like $450 or some shit already. $350 if I remember. Whatever, I get a discount. And then she could have bought a bag too. Not even, didn't think of it. She's like, oh look. She didn't even ask for discount on the other stuff, but she's like, oh yeah, the bag's like, she's like, look, the corner's up, she's like, the corner's fucked.
Yeah, well, that's why, Bob.
Anyway, she's
without
like,
that thing, it would be like over $1,000, Bob.
I said 400, and she's like, come back. She's like, oh, I'll come back. I'll come back, and then let me know your best price. Like, ask your missus, because you didn't answer at the time. And I was like, yeah, alright, sweet. I'll try and get it down a bit more. But it was packed today.
Yeah, I know it's nice weather. It's good. Yeah, that's why. Like, I don't really want to.
Do you remember how much? Do you remember how much was in here before we went home?
It's a pimple.
I don't know, Bob.
Do you remember how much was in here, approximately?
No, I just put whatever is in there.
Wow.
Anyway,
What's happened? The pimple boy.
there was a few cash purchases, but you had some money in here already, so I don't know how much.
Yeah.
But anyway, now you've got in here. Look, now you've got in here 100, 200, 300,
That's
Yeah.
1270.
the pimple pot.
Big time tayo, guys. Walang katapusan. Ang ating baby Celine, kakagising lang. Tignan niyo silang dalawa ni Mom.
a beautiful girl with very long
May nag-pick up kanina ng bag. Oh my god, my voice. Hi, how are you? I sounded like a boy. Napaos na yung boses ko sa kakaubo, guys. Nakahirap ilabas yung klema. Hi, princess. Did you have a good nap?
When the witch had to visit
What are you watching?
She used to ask
What are you watching?
to let down her hair.
Halloween. So, gusto kong humiga, pero hindi ako makahiga kasi yung isip ko, kahapon, I was in bed like most of the time, like from anong oras, umaga hanggang hapon nasa bed ako. And hindi ko pa nalabahan yung mga uniform na Ate Paris, guys. So, school na naman siya bukas. So, kailangan mag-dry. So, Daddy Mike ay pumunta ng gym. And he said on his way home, he'll just grab something for dinner and for Ate Paris' school tomorrow. They've done really well today, guys. Silang dalawa ni Ate Paris. Yeah. Mas malaki yung kita nila today kaysa sabi ni Ate Paris last Sunday. Sabi ni Daddy Mike, well, at least you know that I can do it in case, you know, like, you're not able to. Yes, like, yeah, well, no doubt, alam ko namang he can do it talaga. But yeah, he just needs to be more familiar with the pricing and sizing and all that, because obviously, you know, he's a man, so it's not very, with the, especially the brands as well. But hinay-hinay, he is learning.
The prince.
Mommy, I'm baby Batu. I'm baby Batu.
Look, let it cook now.
Baby Batu.
Is this pork, Daddy? Chicken?
This one's mine. This one is mine. Yours. It's true. When food. Dad, can you give me a pad?
I just gave you a little bit of the beef, chicken up just to try on.
That's mine. Daddy, that's mine. Look at Izzy.
Yeah, I get.
Look at Edie.
Izzy.
Laughing for joy.